Ni hao, and welcome back to Expresso here on SABC3, your feel-good breakfast show. We are celebrating the Chinese New Year, and of course the whole festival culminates with 15 days of festivities and just good times. And something that we do like to celebrate with is food here on the show. So we're making something that I think is very significant for Chinese people. Of course, they make it in the best way, is aromatic steamed fish. And to do that for us, we got in the professional himself, Chef Peng, to show us exactly how to make a delicious aromatic steamed fish. Chef Peng, how are you today?
Fine, you?
Very, very well, thank you. So are you enjoying the Chinese New Year as well?
Yes.
Wonderful stuff.
Yes.
That's good. I have a special prosperity greeting for you. Tell me if I'm doing it right. Gong Chi Fa Chai. Is that right?
Yes.
Yay! I'm getting better and better.
Okay.
So, Chef, what do we need for our aromatic steamed fish this morning?
Just need some like a ginger, fresh
Okay.
ginger, and fresh spring onion, salt, little bit white pepper.
All right.
Yeah, that's it. Then the fish, you just make so clean and very fresh.
Can it be any kind of fish?
Just fresh.
Okay.
That's very important.
All right. Must be fresh.
Must be fresh.
Must be fresh fish.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Wonderful.
we can steam it. So I put a little bit ginger.
We've got some ginger there.
Yeah, a little bit spring onion. Later, this one will be taken out. Just give more flavor.
All right.
Yes.
Now, that's something that I sometimes struggle with when I steam fish. Number one, I don't think you should steam fish for long because you want it still to be kind of tender and moist and soft.
Yes.
But to still get the aroma in your fish is so important, hey?
Yes.
What are you using there, Chef Peng?
Just,
That's a special box that you steam it in?
yeah, just you can buy it from the supermarket.
Okay.
It's bamboo steamer.
All right.
If you're at the home, if you don't have the steamer, you also can use microwave.
Oh, okay. All
Yes.
right.
Then you
But is that a better thing to use, the steamer?
Yes.
All right.
If you microwave, you can just use a plastic bag,
Yep.
then cover, then put in the microwave just like a 4-5 minutes
Wonderful.
on high.
On high. Okay.
Yes.
Wonderful. So what else do we need? I see you've got a whole lot of other ingredients over here.
Yes. I got some hot oil, then later.
Okay.
And we can, when the fish done, put the ginger and the spring onion, then hit the oil.
Okay,
On
wonderful
the top.
stuff. Well, while you
Very
continue...
simple.
Very, very simple. That's what we like here. We don't have a lot of time to make very, very intricate recipes. But if you would like the recipe for what we're making, our aromatic steamed fish, all you have to do is SMS the word fish to 33728. And of course, then we will send you that recipe list for a very, very interesting and delicious recipe for steamed fish, because sometimes fish can be a little bit bland when you steam it. So yeah, we're gonna make it more interesting this morning. So how long would it take for us usually to have our fish?
Just depend the fish, how big, what size you're using. Like this, just like 3-4 minutes.
3-4 minutes? Okay.
Yeah.
And then once it's finished steamed, we would take it out of our steamer and then pop it into the oil.
Must put on the plate.
Okay.
Yeah, you change the plate, then put this on the top, then hit the hot oil.
Okay.
Then put on. Then you can smell the ginger and the spring onion.
Wonderful. Do you think we're going to be able to do it now? Will we have some time?
Okay. I think almost done now.
It's almost done. Okay, we just have to wait a little. Okay, once again, if you would like the keyword for our aromatic steamed fish that we're making this morning, all you have to do is SMS the word fish to 33728 and we will send that along to you. Of course, we are celebrating Chinese New Year this morning, and the festival kicks off with 15 days of celebrations. It's got to do with family, friends, lots and lots of eating. What are you going to be doing over the 15 days? Are you working? I know you're a chef as well.
Working.
Just lots of working?
Lots of working.
Okay, and what did you do
busy.
yesterday?
Yesterday, because yesterday I'm off day. We got a big party.
Yeah. Wonderful stuff.
Yeah.
And with lots and lots of eating, your friends and family were there as well?
Always.
Okay.
But my family is not here.
Yeah.
No, just working.
Yeah, well, wonderful. Well, we're going to wait for our fish to be done. After the fish comes out of the steamer, we're going to pop it or do what Chef Peng needs to do, so we'll be able to show that to you in a little bit. But we do have a very interesting challenge that's happening right here on Expresso. It's the first of its kind, and it's between not Chef, but rather Minnie and DJ Fresh, and it is a chopstick challenge. It's going down. Let's see who comes out victorious.